Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you receive action blocked on your Instagram, so why you see this error and how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to understand that mostly it happens because you just make too much actions at one time. So it can be liking or following or just commenting too many people at one time. So first thing you need to wait until Instagram will unblock the section for you. So sometimes it takes a few days, sometimes a few hours, it depends on the situation, but also mostly just temporary block from Instagram, so you just need to wait. And another thing you can try, just go to the settings, and in the settings, um, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn on cellular data or mobile data. So just change your network, and if you receive the error on cellular data, just turn off cellular data and turn on Wi-Fi. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.